Today I'm refitting a large mirror in my kitchen. And this time I'm planning to do it right. Well, I hope at least. See, when I put the mirror in originally, I didn't have the right fitting, so I sort of invented one. But I've been worried ever since that it was gonna fall down our heads, and I'll show you why in a minute. But today, we're going to do it properly. I'm going to start by cleaning this table so we can have some space to remove this mirror. Now, let me show you my very own invention, of which I'm not very proud of. Right, so have a look at this. I took a washer and one of these little wall hooks, and then I used one of these butterfly fittings. So let me show you a new one so you can understand what I mean. This one is slightly bigger, but it's essentially the same idea. This goes through there and this opens up behind the wall, and then it basically holds really tight. I've used this before in many projects and they're really good, but the problem is I think these hooks they're usually quite flimsy. They can't break, and this is why I've been so worried for the last year. And that is why I want to replace this with this. Now, look, the idea is pretty much the same. It's a hook. Okay, there we go. As I was saying, it's a hook, and I'm gonna try to put the same sort of butterfly fitting through it. However, these ones are metal, and I think they're a lot stronger, so I won't be worried as much anymore. Okay, I'm going to remove the other one as well. Done. And now I can fit the new ones, so let's open it up. This goes through here, and then we need to put it back in. Close this, go through the wall, and then I'm going to tighten it up. One challenge with this butterfly fittings is that you need to really make sure it opens up when you push it through, because I've done this mistake before. I pushed one through, it wasn't open, and then it came out right away. So be really careful when you do that. All right, and then it's just a case of tightening this up. All right, perfect. So apparently each one of these butterfly fittings can hold for about 15 kilos. And this mirror we just checked is about 10 kilos, so we're gonna be absolutely fine. Let's put the other one in as well, the same way. Right, that was quick. Maybe a bit too good to be true, but I guess we'll see now. Okay, we are looking promising. So I think one issue is a disadvantage in comparison to the previous solution. It's tilting a little bit forward, but I have a solution. See, I've got these little pillows I'm gonna put at the bottom, make it look nice and even. Perfect, I think that looks great. Let's put everything back on the table. Okay, it's like nothing at all has happened, but the difference is it's not going to fall on our heads anymore, which is great. So yeah, today's video was quite short, but starting next week, I'm beginning a big, massive project. I'm taking a huge risk to try and take the channel off the ground, and hopefully you guys are gonna watch that as well. So yeah, thank you for today, like, subscribe, and I'll see you the next time. Take care.